Namaste children. Good morning. Take out your English class book. Last page as usual. Write today's date. First word lame. Lame. Second word sandwiches. Sandwiches. Third word interest. Third word interest. Fourth word decided. Fifth word sympathy. Sympathy. Sixth word trail. Trail. Seventh word delighted. Eighth word fallen. Ninth word trip. Tenth word dead wood. Tenth word dead wood. 11th word roots. Roots. 12th word miserable. 12th word miserable. 13th word whacked. 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 Your English. Whacked, looked, tooked. Whacked. 13th word cormorant. 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 Darter. 14th word darter. 15th word brain. Yes children, 15 words have given today. You can send it to me. I shall look into and I'll check. If you correct and send also, I shall verify it. Okay, yeah, keep the book aside, take out a printout. We have come to the end of the story and we shall see what has happened. I knew some of you all, due to the curiosity, you would have read the story, you would have finished it. If we were the school, you would have told me the story itself. Ma'am, ನಾನು ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, I finished reading ಅಂತ. Yeah, I still remember the lightness of that day, and then a funny thing happened. I began to love those birds morning. Yeah, so whole family supported her. Her father, her mom and her brother, her sister, everybody supported. It's okay if you don't remember the names of the birds, that's okay, we still love you anta support ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು the whole family. Yeah, that is the bonding in the family. Yeah, whatever mistakes we do, definitely our parents will forgive us. ಆಯಿತು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೈತಾರೆ. whatever they do good for us. ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಐ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅ ಫನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್. ಐ ಬಿಗ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಲವ್ ದೋಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್. It dawned on me that you could love birds without knowing their names. So what happened? So that funny thing happened. She started laughing for herself. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಏನೇನೋ ಹುಚ್ಚುಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ನಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನೇನೋ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಅಗ್ರಿ. ಹೂ ಜಾಯ್ ಟಾಕರ್ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೇನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ರೈನ್, ನಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಐಸ್ ಅಂತ. So finally, I began to love those bird mornings. It dawned on me that you could love birds without knowing their names. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಆದ್ರೇನು, ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಆದ್ರೇನು. Yes or no children? It's not necessary that you have to know the names exactly. Yeah, their beauty, their nature and the way they behave itself attract us. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ we still have a love towards them. It dawned on me that you could love birds without knowing their names. I began to love their colors and crests and wattles and plumes and all other extras. They were pretty stylish. So she, just fell into the love of the birds with the colors, with their ಕ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಹಾರೋ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಕೂಗೋ ಧ್ವನಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾ ಶಿ ಲೈಕ್ಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ಕುಡಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ಲವ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದ ಕೋರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಶಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ looking at them. She started adoring them. She started, having love towards those birds. And then, when I was about 6 inches taller, so she's grown now, okay, but still short for my age, something amazing happened. Probably she is in half of her first standard. We started the story when she was about 6 years. So by the time she comes to the end of the story, probably she was maybe 7 years old or 8 years old, something. But she's grown. But still, she was looking short for her age. Okay. Something amazing happened. Yenaito, amazing means what? What do you mean by the word amazing? You have to find out and write. I'm not going to tell. Okay? Yeah. We were on a high cliff. Cliff means rock children faced on the ocean sides. Okay, coast sides ಅಲ್ಲಿ a sticky rock ಒಂಥರ ಕಾಲು ಜಾರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಿಫ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. The Andheri and Bandra and Dadar birders were watching a pair of soaring raptors in the sky below us. Okay, she was somewhere far off, but Andheri birders, Dadar birders, and Salim Mamu and everybody were watching a pair of soaring raptors. That's a bird name, soaring raptors, in the sky below us. Shikra, shouted Andheri. Okay, they had a name. So Andheri bird said it is Shikra. But Bandra birders and all said, hey fool, Harriers, said Bandra. It was not Shikra, it is Harriers. With an insulting gesture. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯು ಫೂಲ್, ನಾನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್, ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ. ಜೆಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, ಅವ್ರು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ರೀತಿ. ದಾದರ್ ಶೌಟೆಡ್ some other ignorant name and got laughed at by both Andheri and Bandra. Salim Mamu was on his way up. He would know for sure. So Salim Mamu came and he just wanted to peep and see what was it. Okay, and he got to know for sure it is some other name. Okay, so ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಶಿಕ್ರ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಏನೋ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗ ಏನೋ ಬೇರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, it was not confirmed. I had been watching the way the wings dipped and turned. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಬರ್ಡ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಅದ್ದದು ಎದೊಳೋದು, ಅದ್ದದು ತಿರುಗೋದು. ಡಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟರ್ನ್. isn't it? Could it be the black winged kite ಅಂತ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಜ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಡ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕೇಳ್ದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಲು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೆಡ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೋಕಿ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಮೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಲೀಂ ಮಾಮೂಸ್ ರಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಹೌದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಗ ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್ ಮೈ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಝಾಯ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿಂಗ್ ಕೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹರ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ holded her by his hand. Okay, he put his hand on his shoulder. I squinted into the distance, trying not to look victorious. Wow, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗೋದು, ಕಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು. Really? Finally, I was able to identify one bird at least. So this is the end of the story. So what is the story telling? It is, at the beginning she did not have the interest towards the subject, especially towards the birds, and later on, by the family support, she got into, and even she started loving the birds. Who knows, even she became the ornithologist. Yeah, yes children, so this is about the story. Wednesday I shall be sending you, I shall discuss with the Salim Mamu and me list 1. Okay, I'll give you the dictation and then you have to keep your list 1 ready. Okay, I shall discuss what you have to supposed to write. Got it? After you finish writing it, Wednesday, Thursday, 2 days time I shall give you. Friday you have to send it to me personally. Wednesday through the video I shall discuss about Salim Mamo and me list 1. You have to, I'll give you 2 days time. Wednesday and Thursday you have to complete it, and Friday you have to send it to me personally. Dictation I'm hardly getting from everybody. There are children 2 days ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ you have to do it. I am ready to do the follow up work. I don't know why you people are not taking any interest. ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಜನ ದಿನಾ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ. ಆಯಿತು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೇಟ್ ನೈಟೇ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ನೀವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೆದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಳ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ you can send it to me at least by evening, no? I am ready to correct and send it back. Then what is the problem? ನೀವೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಬರೆದು ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೊಬ್ಳಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ನೀವು. ನಾನೇನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿರೋದು. ನಾನು 20 ಜನದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5th standard. I have got 6th, I have got 2nd, I have got 9th, and there are so many classes for me. When I am ready to do the follow-up work, why you people cannot write the dictation and send it to me? Please send it to me. Okay, and write it only once. Don't irritate me by writing 5-6 times. Some of them are writing 5-6 times. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರಲಿ, 0ನೇ ಬರಲಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಬಿ ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಡೇ.